Ooh.
What a nice connection. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love it.
Stick it together. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Boom. Oh, I want a big wood mallet like that. That looks awesome.
Look at the shape. Look at them.
This is every woodsman's dream. Every craftsman's dream is nice connections.
They just...
Ooh. It looks like a puzzle.
Yeah. I think
So sophisticated.
it's some puzzle, right? Oh. Ooh. The chair on the top.
Yeah, the cherry on top. That was cool. And they didn't really need that much of the cherry, I guess.
I love this all wooden connection and how beautiful and how smart it is.
Yeah. Teak oil.
Somebody came out with this idea.
Yeah. Good thing it wasn't me.
Okay, it's a wood.
We got some pallets here. Oh, we're gonna do pallet crafts. Fun.
Okay, I love pallet. It's actually, I know, I saw many videos about pallets, and there was one of the videos where they made a pool out of
Pool out of pallets.
yeah,
a pallet
that
pool.
was awesome.
A paloo. Okay, I've seen a lot of furniture like just out and about made out of pallets. It's the cheapest way that you can make cool like beach furniture and stuff. So I think I'm looking forward to what this guy's going to make right now.
I will see.
So far, it looks like he's just made a smaller pallet. Okay. Where are you going with this, buddy? We got some hinges.
Well,
Okay,
I'm confused.
Is
But
it gonna be a
any
door
guess,
or like a gate?
it's a gate for what?
I don't
for
know.
The... But it does.
He's gonna do it again? See, look, it's some kind of door.
But
It's a door to
What?
Narnia. I don't know. It's
maybe closet.
maybe I don't know, a treehouse.
But why he doing this in a home? At home?
Oh, it does look like a closet, or maybe a shoe rack.
Oh, that could be.
It could be a shoe rack because it's a little thin to be a closet.
True.
Okay, what are we doing?
Painting.
Staining it.
first.
Okay,
Oh,
that didn't look like it spread too well at first.
I think you were right.
On the shoe rack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. I
Acrylic.
guess.
Bad bar.
Oh, it's a bar.
Nice. Ooh, that's fancy.
Okay. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay.
Okay, another thing.
More pallets! Give us all the pallets!
That's destroying them. The action the same, right?
Exactly. And pallets aren't too expensive, are they? I think they're reasonably priced.
I don't know. I thought they for free.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you find them in the right place and no one's looking them.
No.
No.
Of course you should buy them.
Of course, buy them, yes.
Yeah, they cost some people made them.
Yes.
You know,
Exactly.
to use them on purpose. For using on purpose, buy them.
Guys, if you have any ideas for pallet hacks, let us know.
Yeah.
Right now we're on furniture and that's it. And barns and pools.
Oh, it's for pots.
Oh, it's a little garden. Nice. That's pretty cool. I feel like you could get some more interesting plants, but okay. Do what you do, man.
Maybe they will grow up to something beautiful.
Yeah, that's cool. They're all different herbs. It's an herb garden. Okay.
Well,
Ooh. I like how clean that is. Parsley. Dabbity dab dab. Alright. We know. Okay, we got more pallets! Okay, what are we gonna... We're stacking two pallets together. We're drilling them together. Okay.
Okay.
So right now, I'm thinking
It will be a sofa.
trampoline.
Trampoline.
Probably a sofa, though.
Trampoline for what?
I don't know. It looks like
I like the way how you think.
a rocket ship.
Okay. Okay.
I think you're absolutely right with the sofa idea.
Yeah. We'll see. Oh. So
Ooh,
wells.
a rolling sofa. I'm beginning to doubt whether it's a sofa now.
Yeah. It's for children.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm confused.
No.
Because you don't want your sofa to roll around too much. And if it's made of wood, it's going to scratch everything.
Oh, no.
I feel like you should have put that on before when you were painting.
No.
Yeah,
it's the
it's
fabric for the
sofa.
Yeah, for the sofa.
Okay.
Definitely.
I feel like he's going to put a different spin on it, though. I'm expecting
yeah.
more from him. He's the palette king.
Okay, we'll see.
Wrap that like a
It
present.
would be too easy to leave it like so, right?
Oh,
he left it.
He left it like this looking. Okay, we got... Ooh.
What is this? It's it looks like
Maybe a base for a
Christmas tree.
For a Christmas tree. It could be, yeah.
Yeah, if you make a hole there,
Yeah.
why not?
I want to see what these things are used for afterwards.
They just show us the technique, I guess.
Yeah. And I guess that's enough for some people. But not us.
Not us.
We
We
have to
don't
speculate.
have an imagination, you
No.
know?
No. We need you to tell us what to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do the hell.
So this looks like a frame of some sort, maybe for a greenhouse.
Some connection could be for the table
Yes.
or something, you know, the perfect wooden table without any needle there.
Exactly.
Nails and
No need for nails, no need for metal. It's all wood. All wood, baby.
wood. Wow.
All right, and it looks strong. Strong connection. Thank you for telling us.
Yeah.
That helps. I was confused. I thought it was a medium connection.
Can you
please? Yeah, can you?
medium rare
The
connection?
editor's like, I think they won't know it's strong. Ooh, nice. I want a like really nice box with just those edges. It looks so good. I don't know what I would put in the box, but I just want it.
Some people came to you and you like, look at this connection which I have.
Yeah, look at this connection box. They're like, okay, please leave us alone. We're trying to have a picnic with our family. Those
Go
people.
with me. I show you connections.
I'll show you connections. They're like, okay, we're calling the police now. These rolling ones, they're good.
Wow. Let's go to the circle.
Yeah! It wasn't perfect, but yeah, it looks good. And more. And more. More.
Wow. You should be so precise with every piece.
It's like a complex game of Jenga. Ooh,
Wow.
looks like we're making something out of this one. I don't know if it's going to be a connection. Oh,
Some
that looks
tree-
so cool.
Yeah. Wow. What is this for? It's just...
Ah,
no. I thought it's a pot, but no, with such a hose.
I don't know. Maybe...
Mm,
Oh, maybe a lamp.
Maybe a lamp. Right. Oh, no.
Ah.
Oh.
Lamp. I love lamp.
Lamp.
Ooh,
Whoa.
look at all those hinges. This is Hinge City.
Yeah, forget about connections.
No.
Now it's hinge.
Wow, okay. Ooh, that was awesome.
Wow. It likes this Japanese thing which
Yes.
they created, right?
Yeah, you know that table that you
Yeah.
spin and it gets bigger? Yeah, that's the type of innovation we need.
Wow. Nice.
Okay, we're chainsawing some wood here. What are we making?
Always dangerous thing.
Yeah,
This-
chainsaws are very dangerous.
Yeah. It's I guess it's owl.
Yeah, oh yeah, it looks like an owl.
Yeah.
Okay. You might be right. Why are they hurting its head? Poor owl.
Oh.
Yeah, owl's the symbol for wisdom. Going on here
No.
Ooh.
Angle grinder.
with the angle grinder.
I like it.
I like it a lot. It looks good. Ooh.
Wow. Is it the eye?
I guess that's the eye. I'm thinking they're gonna put something for the eye, maybe like a gem or something would look nice. Hopefully.
But it doesn't look so.
No? You think it's just gonna be wood? Oh yeah, there.
Wow.
That's another cool effect.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. I love it. Don't burn it fully. They burned it.
That looks cool. That reminds me of like in wildlife preserves in the States, you find a lot of these wooden carvings, and they also do the same effect. Like they all look like that, basically, of different animals and stuff. It's cool.
Yeah. They just want to cover all their...
I don't know why they would. Yeah, I liked it before when it was
Yeah.
the natural wood color, but
Oh.
I guess if they're
came
polishing it, it looks nice.
in- Yeah. Wow. I want to see the final result.
I feel like the eyes, that it's so flat on the front.
Yeah.
I want a little bit more texture on the front.
Exactly. But
Yeah,
not
looks
bad.
good, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, with the face and eyes could be.
A little bit more detailed there, yeah.
We're so critical.
We just
Yeah.
we're the masters of wood crafts, actually.
Yeah. It could be better. Not bad, but
Not
it
bad,
could be
but
better.
it could be better.
Yeah.